Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to open some Happy Mail from Pipsticks, and I just love their packaging. I ordered these a while ago. Their shipping usually takes quite a bit. Oh, I got it. So I kind of remember a few things I ordered, but not really. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it. And I almost ordered. They had a one of their older kits, and I almost got it, but I didn't want half of the stickers, and I'm trying to be conscious about what I buy. Obviously, this makes total sense, you know. Lots of washi, which I already have, and I'm so excited. It is so cute. I love this one with the rocking grannies. This is so cute. And I wanted to show you a little trick that I have. And whenever I put together washi tape for a kit or a project I'm making, I use one of these ring binders, I think you call them. And this one is 3 inches, and I have these ones of 2 inches. And I keep them in this ring until I'm done with the kit. For things like Citrus Twist kits and the Cut Shop and Veronica Creates, then I have a kit per month. So once I'm done with that, I put it in this, and I got this at Dollar Tree for $1.25. And it's just one of those candy jars. I bought it for something else. I bought it for bath salts, but then I realized that my daughter was just gonna go. And then I realized how stupid it was. But at least I do love a good container. So it's also good decoration. So now that this is full, I have to go into my very big art bin organizers to put it back. But I just love how it looks and how easy it is to use washi. So it's a good trick if you have a lot of washi and you want to use it, that every time you use a kit or you are working with a new product or collection, then you can pull out your washi. Let's get a little closer. Okay, so the first thing we have is the sticker confetti. And these are little tea bags and coffee mugs. I love coffee and I love tea too, but coffee even more. Oh, I love these tiny ones. I love the size. It's so cute. And this is just Walkmans and I don't know, like a record player. Just that my grandma used to call it Vitrola, but that's a brand. And then we have the super cute rainbows and the weather. It was slightly snowing this morning. It was so weird. I thought that we were already in spring, but okay, I guess. This one is so sparkly, so shiny. I used to love stuff like this when I was younger, and I would buy lots of stickers. This one is another reading sticker pack, and it's a lot of my weekend is booked. It's Book O'Clock, Once Upon a Time, Never Stop Reading, that I can use in my second part of the book journal that I haven't finished. But now this year, 2023, I'm gonna journal that in my project life, and I'm also gonna buy like a book journal. These are very cute. I love these, and it even has their sticker keeper. I love that idea, and it's really cute, and I almost got one, but I already have like an organizing system that works for me. It's just a basket, but I like how it's available and open, and I can use it whenever I want. I love stationery products, so this is right up my alley. You know, you got notebooks and pens and watercolors, lots of crafty stuff. Yes, crafty. And washi tape, which I obviously love. This is so cute. It looks kind of old school. I would say rockabilly, but it has the Walkmans, so no, but really cute. Love it. These are really cute, and I think that these were a pack in the kit that I wanted to get. Was it Daydream Doodles? I don't remember, but they're really cute. Lots of tiny happy faces, and I love those. Suns, rainbows, and this is, it had books and computers and stuff like that, but it's kind of like business-like. And these are from that kit that I wanted to get, not this one. These are just super tiny stars, and I love these. I love this for my Project Life little clusters. This is very safe by the bell. I wish it had 2 sheets. Well, this one I love. I had a bunch of trolls that would go in on pencils, and it was so cute. I missed them. I wish I kept one. I know that I have a lot of friends that they're like, oh, I found this from my childhood, but my mom does not believe in keeping stuff. I have like one doll, and it was because it was like my favorite doll ever, and it was a glowworm. It's a glowworm. She looks rough. She's had a hard life. Now these 2 are fuzzy. I didn't know the hearts were fuzzy. I knew that the faces were fuzzy, but I would like this in like regular stickers or shinies. These ones are so cute. I always love a good rainbow. It's just that if you see leaves like that little dusty mess, they're cute. These are so cool. Also part of the kit that I wanted to get, and it had like a vinyl sticker that I was thinking about getting, but I didn't. I used to remember these. Now I bought my daughters some of these, and what I do is that I put like a little the ouchless from Goody, that is like a rubber band for your hair. And then on top of that, I put those little things, because when I was little, my mom would let go of one of those balls and it would hit me in the head and hurt like hell. I don't know if she did it on purpose. I am very leaning to the fact that maybe I was just moving too much and she would go pop and I would be like, ow, then stay still. This one was also part of that kit. It was like an 80s inspired kit. And I wanted some stickers that were like lunch boxes, but they didn't have them anymore. And I used to buy a lot of these when I was like younger. Love this kind of like glittery, happy-go-lucky. Cute. And I thought that this was the back. I got confused for a second. But this is more Pip stickers. Pip's, I don't know, sticker lover, like notebooks and the organizing. This is so cute. I love that too much. And I have these, which is called 80s Abduction. It's so cute. I love X-Files, and I love a Disney show that nobody mentions ever. I hear everything, like way too much Lizzie McGuire. Nobody cares. I loved a show that was called That's So Weird, where spooky stuff would happen. And nobody ever mentions that show. I should ask Leilani from Leilani Scraps, because she's very into that 90s stuff and she might remember. I think we're around the same age. Maybe I'm like 2 years older than her. Oh, that's a cat. That's weird, but I like it. And I'm pretty sure my little one is just gonna steal it. That is so cute. And the washi. It's a good haul. Let me see, my favorite thing. This is right at the top. Where's the other one with the troll? This one. I'm gonna pick a top 3. I like this washi with the rocking grannies. It's called It's Rock and Roll Washi Collection. So cute. This, which is Hair Play by Tanya D. And wow, this is really cute. But there was one. It's stationary. Where is it? Where are you? This one. So I think these 3 items are my favorite. Let me know which ones were yours, and I hope that that little washi trick helped you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!